Hey guys, Califab here, and today I'm going to introduce a new project pan for the year of 2020. This is my first project pan that I'm actually introducing, so I'm kind of excited about it. I didn't want to put too many empties videos in the same order, but sorry, had to. That's how it goes sometimes when you have to pre-film and figure things out on the fly. I work full-time, so I just don't have the time to film every day. So this project pan was actually by, I can't remember who initially started it or had the idea for it. I watched her video, I know I did. If I can remember her channel, I will leave it right here and link down below. But I first saw Paula from A Beauty Guru Made Me Do It. So basically this project is about using your old advent calendar that you would typically throw away or put in a box until next Christmas or whatever. So I have decided to join in on it, and I will show you right now my advent calendar. The top of number one, here is number one. Number one broke, unfortunately. So I have to hot glue that back on. But here it is. This is all filled with products, and the products that wouldn't actually fit in here are in a bin, a glass bin. So I have a paper that corresponds with each of those products with their name on it. So when I pull, you guys will be able to see that. So I'm really excited about this, and I actually decided to fill mine a little bit differently than other people are probably going to do. I chose to use my sample sizes to get through more sample size products, because I do have another year-long project pan that I will be introducing very soon. I'm really excited about it. It's actually my own idea, but yeah. So I'm going to show you right now the clip of this actually getting filled. Woo! And then I'll see you back. Go ahead. Look here though.
Hey guys, Carterfab here, and today I'm going to put makeup in an advent calendar.
So Carter's gonna fill my advent calendar right now so that I don't know what's in there. So this is how I'm randomizing. I will show you guys, I do have a little bucket back there if things don't fit, which I've already figured out that a bunch of the products that I picked don't fit in there, so that's a little unfortunate. But on days where there's only one product, I have enough for 2 products for every day of the advent calendar. So on days where there's only one product, I am gonna reach into the bucket and grab something randomly. So I am gonna leave the room so Carter can fill it. He's gonna put at least 1 in every single box, and then ones that he can get 2 in, he's gonna do that. So, ready?
Yep.
Okay, don't show the camera the products too much. Just kind of put them in there because I have to edit this, okay? And I don't want to see what you're putting in there. Hold on, wait until I leave. I don't want to see.
Go, Mom.
And make sure they can see you when you do it. There you go. You can see yourself on the camera?
Yep.
Okay. All right, say ready, set, go.
Go.
Ready,
Ready,
set, go.
go. Random. Right in there. Number 8, we're going to put this in. I don't know what it is, but there you go. You can see it now. Okay, so this Marbleu Bad Sue will go in number 8 with that. Actually, we'll go in number. Okay, this will go in the bucket, and this will go in number. This will go in number 5. So we got this. So let's put this in number 24. Won't really work that well. Trying my best. So let's put it in like that. Let's try it like this. Okay, so let's put it in. Alright, 20. What?
How's it going?
Good.
Are you done?
No.
Okay.
I don't think it will work. So the rest of this is done. So one sec. I gotta go tell my mom something. Okay. My mom's coming right now. She's gonna see what might be in here. Yes.
Okay. So
There's some stuff sticking out.
that's okay. That's perfect. So Carter finished filling this. I obviously don't have makeup on yet. Thank you, baby. You did good. Did you talk to the camera the whole time? So,
but I stood like this.
did you show all the products or no?
No.
Okay, good. So I should be able to edit that, and I'm kind of excited to see what he did on camera because I totally walked away. I started cooking breakfast, so I am really excited to open all of these. You guys know I already talked to you about how I'm going to do it. So day one is going to be here, and I am going to open this after I put my makeup on because I feel like doing my makeup today. So thank you, bud.
You're welcome.
Okay, Carter wants to say the outro. Okay, so now that you guys have seen this getting filled, you guys did not see Carter filling this with the pieces of paper simply because I didn't realize how many products he had to put in the bin as well as the ones I had to put in there. So I did write them all down, mix them all up. He just grabbed them randomly and put them in here. He didn't even, I mean, he knows what they say because he knows how to read, but he doesn't really know what they're for. So I am gonna pull from drawer number 1. My advent calendar actually just goes in order. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know, they just go in order. So this is the first month in January. So I'm gonna pull number 1. And like I said, the door is broken. So I'm just gonna take the little door off. Oh, he put 3 products in here. So I told him to put 2 products in each one, but that is perfectly okay. He put 3 in this one. So I have a mascara, I have a lip product, and I have a little piece of paper. So I'm gonna go grab what the paper says as well and show you everything that I have. So my goal is that I'm not actually gonna do one door for every month simply because there are 25 doors in mine, not 12. So that doesn't really work for me. So what I'm gonna do is when I'm ready to rotate a product out, whether it be like a lipstick that I know I can't finish or something that I did finish, then that's when I'm gonna be able to open the next door. So for the first couple months, I'm gonna just use one product as a rotation out and do an update for you guys. But after that, I'm gonna kind of figure out how many products I have. Like I said, I have 25 doors. I thought it was 24, so there might be some doors that only have one product as well. So I'll kind of bring that into account also. But there should be about 2 products in every door. So if I remember correctly, I'm pretty sure I only put 48 products. So there's not going to be 2 products in every single door. But considering that there was 3 products in the first one, it might be a little bit more of a struggle, but we'll just see as we go. I want to finish up at least one item before I open the next door. So the paper one was the Brazilian Body Buff, and yes, I did write these super quick, so it's probably spelled wrong and all sorts of stuff. So this is from Sol de Janeiro, the Brazilian Body Buff, and it says Smoothing Scrub and Mask for Touch Me Now Brazilian Babe Skin. I'm pretty sure, yes, it says a body mask for on dry skin, waiting 10 minutes before rinsing off. Oh, it says apply on wet or dry skin. So for 10 minutes, that's very strange. I'm probably just going to use this as like a shower scrub. So there is my first one. It is only 0.5 fluid ounces in here. So number one. Then I actually have one of these samples in my drawer right now, so I am not going to add this in yet. This is the MAC In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. I don't know, can you even read that? So the one I actually have in my drawer right now is the MAC False Lash Extreme Black Mascara. So I still have to finish that one up, but here's another tube, so that's gonna go for now. And then I have the lipstick. Yes, it's a lipstick from Real Her, and it's the Girl Power. I don't know if that's a formula, and it is in the shade Mauve. So this is a pretty fair size. I don't think I'll be able to use up this whole product. That makes me a little nervous. It's really big. It's very similar to the color I have on right now, but it's obviously not it because that is brand spanking new. So I will take a picture of this just so I can see how far it is. And I think my goal on this is going to be to use it halfway. I think I can definitely do that. It doesn't give me the like amount of product that's in here, unfortunately. I wish they would write it on here, but it's kind of like a lazy move not to, in my opinion, but we're there. So I'm going to use this, and I think I'm going to open door number 2 as well, simply because I know I'm not going to be able to use that mascara right away, and this lipstick is going to take me quite some time to get it halfway done. This Brazilian Body Buff, I don't think it'll take me too long, but I think I'm going to open door number 2 just so that I have more than 3 products to work with. So, dun 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 dun. As you guys can see, door number 1, like I said, it was messed up. So, okay. Door number 2. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. This is like really awkward to hold. Door number 2, I actually have a little teeny tiny product in there. No way, that's really funny. Okay, and then I have a little paper, so let me go grab the one on the paper as well. Okay, the one on the paper says the Z Skin Coffee Face Scrub. So there is your proof right there, and I did already grab it. So here it is. It is the, yeah, like acne coffee face scrub. It says exfoliating. I'm actually all out of my exfoliating scrubs right now, so this is perfect timing. So there is that one. It is pretty full. It's about halfway full right here. So yeah, I can definitely get through that. Probably in like, if I scrub, I don't really like to scrub my face in the morning, but I do like to do a face scrub after makeup. So I would say probably like 8 to 10 uses on that. And then the other product I have in here is really kind of funny. It's like a super mini size of the primer that I actually used today that I'm trying to finish out. So this is the size difference. This is like the deluxe sample maybe, and that's like the little teeny tiny baby sample of the same thing. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, and that's exactly what I used today. So how funny that I just got the same exact product. Carter didn't know that, obviously. If I would have filled it, I probably would have filled it a little differently, but that's okay. So I have this tiny little size. It is 0.13 fluid ounces, so it is just a little guy. And I can't imagine this taking me too long to use up. I don't use these unless I'm actually doing my makeup, so there's that. But anyway, so we opened 2 doors out of the 25, and like I said, I'm not gonna do like monthly updates. I'm just gonna do an update when I'm ready to open the next door or the next 2 doors. Maybe I'll just do 2 doors every time just so I always have products, you know, in the rotation. I think that might be a good idea. I'm excited about this, you guys. So I am gonna be working on these. I'm gonna throw these 2 away since, or actually recycle them to be technical, since I already pulled them out of our bin. And I am going to go over back to where you saw me when Carter organized the advent calendar, and let him close it out because he asked me to. So back over to it. Okay, or come over on this side then, so you can say it. You can cover up that. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. You're the best. Thank you, Carter.
You're welcome.